It's time for another Thrift with Me video, and I am at Goodwill today to see what I can find. But the rest of this video, you'll be seeing me showing you highlights of different things that I have found at different thrift stores. So let's go shopping. Hi, I'm Janine. Thrifting and shopping secondhand has been a part of my life for the last 15 years, and I've been able to curate the wardrobe of my dreams over the years, as well as decorate my home by shopping at thrift stores, garage sales, consignment shops, the Goodwill outlet, and Facebook Marketplace. If you like secondhand outfit inspiration, upcycling, thrift flips, and home decor ideas, just keep watching to see Jane Thrift. I'm gonna go check out this new rack first. Found this adorable We the Free top on that new rack. I love the kind of distressed green and cream stripe. This is going to be perfect for spring and summer. And this shirt is only $4.99. I'm always looking at the jeans section, but I like to look for jeans that I can just wear straight up, but I also love looking for ones that I can upcycle. I found these jeans. Now these are just Shein, but what I love is the wide leg, and I also love that these are already distressed because I like putting patches. So this is perfect for me to upcycle. I don't like that much of my leg exposed, but this type of distressing is really challenging for me to do without a whole factory worth of tools. These are only $5.99. Love this for a project. I just went through the dresses and found this really adorable Maeve by Anthropologie dress. I love the color on this. It has buttons down the side. That is such a cute little detail. I love the sleeve on this. This is $7.99. I was walking down the aisle and I saw this sleeve peeking out, and I recognized it immediately. It is print fresh. I found a pajama top and a full set. Right now I am searching for the bottoms through here to see if I can find a full set of the green. Unfortunately, did not find the bottoms, but still overjoyed that I found these. $4.99 for the top, and for the set, let's see, the set is $8.99. I am just overjoyed that I found both of these. I am trying this Maeve dress on at home, and I'm realizing I don't think it might be a dress. I think it's actually a top because these buttons on the side, this is like fully open. So my plan is I'm just going to sew this closed and it will show the button detail, but then I will feel more like secure in my dress. But there is another problem. All right, you couldn't see it in the mirror, but here it is. It's a nice big slit. So I am going to find a solution for this, be it a patch, be it me shortening the length and just bringing it up to here, or just sewing it closed. I'm not sure what solution, but I will come up with a solution. And here are these Shein jeans that are distressed. I don't mind like the busted knee, but when it comes up into like the thigh section in here, no. So I already have a full concept for these. I just need to work them, and you'll see them in the styling portion. Y'all, I am in the intimates and pajamas section here at Goodwill, looking for pants to go with that print fresh pajama top, and I see this sticking out. Can't make this up. Brand new with tags. Anthropologie set. P.S. I will not be modeling these in the style section of this video. Only $5.99 for the set. I was just casually walking by, going up to the skirt section, and spotted this handbag. It's a Haan leather bag for $9.99. Enough said. A while ago, I showed y'all this horse blanket that I have still yet to do anything with. I still plan on combining it with a denim jacket that I already have, but thought it would be the perfect solution for this dress with the cut on the back. I cut one of the horses out and played around with the placement to see how much of that cut I could cover up. And it ended up that if I lined up the back leg over that section, it would camouflage the flaw for the most part, as well as being able to wrap the horse around to the front, making it a true statement piece rather than some sort of random patch. And as you can tell, I'm extremely excited about this happy accident. I did a zigzag stitch over the cuts in the dress fabric. Then I pinned the horse applique on and sewed around the edges of the horse. For the jeans, I used a piece of bleached out denim to somewhat match the color of the original jeans. By measuring the size of the holes in the legs, I then used those measurements to cut patches from the donor denim. And after turning the jeans inside out, I pinned on the patches to the back side of the holes. I decided to not cut open the sides of the jeans because I did not want to mess with the sizing at all. But this meant it's going to be a very challenging sewing project to get all the legs of the jeans into the machine. It was very doable. I just needed to be very patient and took my time to get all the patches sewn on. And after turning the jeans right side out, I decided to cut the hem off the bottom cuff. And after washing and drying them, they frayed perfectly. Now that you've seen me thrift for the past couple of weeks, now I get to show you how I'm going to style up all of these pieces. First is the We the Free All I Need striped tee. It retailed for $68 and I paid $4.99. I paired it with these brown khaki pants that I wanted to tie a bandana onto the belt loop, but these pants had no loops. So I just improvised by first tying the bandana in a center knot and then pinning it into the waistband with a brooch. And I wanted a funky casual look this day, so I wore the shirt with this green graphic cap and animal print sneakers. A tri-strand metal necklace just finished off the accessories here. It actually ended up being a very chilly morning, so I added this slouchy sweater cardigan that could be removed later on in the day. And I completed the outfit with a green leather hobo bag. And I just love how all the greens in the hat, shirt, and bag play off of each other while not matching exactly. The distressed Shein jeans retailed for around $22 and I paid $5.99. I love how my idea came to life with the holes being patched here, and I also really enjoy the slouchy, relaxed fit. I paired them with a pale pink t-shirt and a crochet jacket for an overall oversized boho look that I find just so appealing. I completed the outfit with a horn necklace, leather bag with charms, and cream leather flats. The Maeve side slit relaxed tunic retailed for $130 and I paid $7.99. And then the Haan extra large Genevieve Denny woven leather saddlebag retailed for $695 and I paid $9.99. I could not be more pleased with how this look came together. With the sides of the tunic now sewn closed, I can now feel comfortably wearing it as a dress, and the addition of the horse applique makes it into a true statement. I never would have thought of adding this if it had not been for the cut in the fabric. To accessorize this outfit, I went with a fringed turquoise bead necklace and wrapped a scarf around the front handle of the bag for even more color and interest. And then some cream suede ankle boots just finish everything off. The Print Fresh green Bagheera pajama top retailed for $79 and I paid $4.99. I have yet to find a good pair of pants to go with this PJ top, so it led me to want to play around with wearing it as a regular top. And I have to admit, I was very unsure of this entire look, even though y'all know I love to be bold with my fashion choices. I went to go show my husband, expecting him to feel the same. And when I walked into the room, he was like gushing with compliments, saying how much he loved it. This is a lot of look, and I did wear it out and about this day, but in the future, I'm just still not sure if I'm going to have it ever leave the house again. I am still on the hunt for some pajama pants that would look good with this top. The Print Fresh blue Bagheera pajama set retailed for $158 and I paid $8.99. All three of the Print Fresh pieces I got were not in the most pristine condition, and also they all needed minor repairs. They actually turned out really looking good and are so incredibly comfortable as they're 100% cotton, along with being cute with the tiger print. I rarely invest in sleepwear, so I am so pleased to add these to my small collection. The Anthropologie eyelet tank and shorts retailed for $72 and I paid $5.99. This has really been a treat to be able to find some great sleepwear since, again, I do not usually find them. These are also super comfortable and are cotton too. After totaling everything up, everything I thrifted retailed for $1,224 and I only paid $48.93. That is a difference of $1,175.07. Thank you so much for joining me for my thrifting adventures. I would love it if you could give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also, I'd love to have you here as a subscriber. I'm doing everything under a thrifted and secondhand umbrella with actual thrifting for both clothes and home, lots of DIYs and upcycles, and also styling both fashion and home. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.